Hey guys, alright, we officially have Tropical Storm Arlene. The NHC officially pulled the trigger and named Tropical Depression 2 Tropical Storm Arlene at the latest advisory, at the 2 p.m. advisory, really the 1 p.m. advisory. And it has sustained winds now 40 miles per hour, 1,002 millibars. It is moving slowly south at 5 miles per hour. And the current track has it really only being a tropical storm for maybe just like the rest of the afternoon, evening, because by the time we get to tomorrow morning, it's already back down to a tropical depression. Really, by the time we even get towards later today and into tonight, it'll be back down to a tropical depression, or at least it's forecast to be currently now with the National Hurricane Center's forecast cone, and will be fully dissipated likely by tomorrow evening towards 7 p.m. Saturday. So the system will remain to be no threat to land, just bring enhanced rainfall and maybe some flood threats to Florida as it has been and the very western parts of Cuba there. But generally, this will be a fairly just not that too big of a deal storm. So that's a good thing. And if we look at the Wikipedia page for the 2023 Atlantic hurricane season, let's get this more into view here. We see that we now have two total depressions, two storms now. Arlene is the strongest named storm of the season. Currently, it's the first named storm, 40 miles per hour, 1,002 millibar lowest pressure. The hurricane hunters have been in Arlene earlier today and just been currently all throughout today, and have now finally found enough evidence that the system can be named and is at tropical storm strength, even though it did seem that the system had tropical storm force winds for quite a while, and the National Hurricane Center was being unusually cautious about naming it for some reason. It was very, very strange. But we officially have Tropical Storm Arlene now, and it's the first name of the season, first named storm of the season on the first day of the Atlantic hurricanes, or really the second day of the Atlantic hurricane season. But, up here it says the first in-season system, Tropical Storm Arlene, formed in the Gulf of Mexico on June 1st. Really, that more means like the tropical depression part of it formed yesterday on the official first day of the Atlantic hurricane season. But we're officially starting the Atlantic hurricane season off with our first name storm, first name system. So that's pretty cool. And surprisingly enough, the season really started all the way back in mid-January with the unnamed subtropical storm that the NHC went back and officially confirmed did actually become an official subtropical system back about a month ago on May 11th. So this means this season is generally going to end up being quite long-lived season in terms of amount of days with tropical cyclone activity, even though we've had a major gap between the unnamed subtropical storm and Tropical Storm Arlene forming now. But in any case, Tropical Storm Arlene has officially formed and has officially been named just now, and really will just continue to be a rainmaker and slight wind maker for Florida and the western parts of Cuba. Otherwise, it's really no threat whatsoever, and this is just exciting. We finally have our first named storm of the season. So that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. We finally have our first name system of the 2023 Atlantic hurricane season. We now have gone 2 for 2 with getting to a named storm or a tropical, some sort of tropical or subtropical storm with both the unnamed subtropical storm and now Arlene. So it's pretty cool. We will see if the Atlantic is going to produce any other tropical systems throughout the rest of this month. And remember, make sure you have your hurricane season plans in place or already starting to think about it, and starting to think about maybe if you need to evacuate for any especially major system that could affect your area later in the season, where you would evacuate to. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, did you guys think the system would actually be named Arlene? What did you guys think about the National Hurricane Center kind of being very not pessimistic, very cautious about naming it up till now, and let's just have a nice lively discussion about that down in the comments section. Like the video down below, subscribe for future content like this if you like this kind of content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.